Hey all, Russ here, RVerTV. How you doing? Carpet day. I picked up a chunk of carpet. Gonna take that bench out. Actually, that bench is coming out permanently. I'm gonna redo something different in here. But for today, we're gonna get the carpet out. Pop this out. Get it loose. Tear it apart. Then I'll make room. I gotta clean the floor, vacuum, a few odds and ends. Looking forward to it. But look at this chunk of carpet. Got it at Home Depot, discontinued, kind of indoor outdoorish, for only 40 bucks. You can't beat that. Okay, get the camera moved here. All I gotta do is vacuum, and we get this chunk. Carpeting is my least favorite thing to do. Very least. I don't care for it at all. It's not very hard, it's just tedious, all the cuts. But, just need to get her done. Okay, I'll get clean in here. Okay, all laid out. See, it's gonna go up, clear up to the engine cover. That's cool. I'll cut around all that. It's definitely plenty wide enough. I'm gonna have to cut both sides. Let's go around the back here a sec. I'm gonna start on the passenger side around the fender well there. Start in this back corner and just work my way all the way around. I'll cut it up underneath the front seat. And I'll just leave that where the battery box and everything, I'm just going to leave it covered for now. Deal with that when I build the box. Not bad looking stuff. I mean, it's kind of like indoor outdoorish, but the price was perfect. Color, who cares? It's all going to mainly be covered up with the bed and everything anyway. Okay, let me get busy cutting. Okay, I need to follow the contour here, right there. Everything's a curve and a cut. This is why I don't like carpet. I'm going to go up the side of the fender well. Maybe a little extra soundproofing, who knows. Then I'll get her cut on this end. Alright, let me get busy. Well, not too bad. I need to trim this down a little bit more right there. Then I'll put little screws in there to hold it. Okay, I got the step rough cut. Still got more to trim. So you can see it's laying over pretty good there. I'll trim out the well, the step well of the passenger door. And when I build a box there, the battery box, I'll figure out something. I'll probably just leave the carpet down. There'll be added soundproofing for sure. And a little bit of tiny insulation too. So the next big cut is to get around that driver's seat. So let's get going on that. I'm gonna notch it around that seat frame right there. Sorry for the shaky camera. Let's get this notched. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, this razor knife is getting dull. This is actually a carpet knife. Look at it, won't cut. Just shreds. Horrible. Okay, I'm gonna flop the blade over. I have a whole pack of blades. You should change them very often. Makes cleaner cuts. Just don't cut yourself. Much better. Razor sharp. Look at the cut. Okay, there you go. One custom cut piece of carpet. 2008 Ford E150. Yay! That looks good. Hopefully it adds a little bit of soundproofing. Keep my feet a little cooler or warmer when I'm traveling. It'll all get, most of it's going to get covered up anyway. Time it all gets built out. But I'm happy. Really, that ain't a bad color. Okay, go around over here. I'll show you up front. I'm going to cut that around the front seat a little bit better. Keep it all one piece if possible. Go around the frame underneath. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. I'm going to run a few screws in it to hold it in place as well. Well, there you go. Another thing off the list, huh? Looking good. You'll be seeing a video about the new bed coming soon, too. Bed frame. Alright, check it off. Alright, everyone. This is Russ signing off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon.